Hi everyone, welcome to this easy beginner guidance on the ESP32 Development Board. If you are new to IoT, electronics or microcontrollers, don't worry, this video is perfectly for you. Today we will look at the ESP32, which is one of the most powerful and most used board in engineering, do-it-your projects and learning level. Okay, for learning level, whether you are an engineering student, diploma, BTech, BE, MTech, and school students learning robotics, making a scientific projects, okay, and hobbyist making your first smart devices, this video will help you understand why the ESP32 is becoming the future of IoT and embedded systems. First we will go for what is the ESP32. Okay, like ESP32 is a small and smaller board but extremely capable of system on chip development by ESP32 company. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth support and fast dual-core processor and wide variety of input-output pins. Everyone knows, right? Wi-Fi, Bluetooth support. What is the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth? Wi-Fi is a wireless facility, like we can transfer data like long range compared to Bluetooth. Okay, like these are the communication protocols. And it was a dual core processor. Okay, like everyone knows, I think, dual core processor. What is the processor? What is the dual core, multi core, single core? Okay, mostly engineering students also knows the these keywords meaning. Okay, and variety of input and output pins, like variety of input and output pins. What is the kind of variety of input, like sensor input, analog input, okay, digital input like the GPIO, and the communication input like UART, I2C, SPI, like this, and output pins like controlling the digital pinouts, like and one of the most because of its low cost and low power usages, it's available wide range and strong performance. ESP32 is used almost everywhere, from home automation projects to advanced industrial machines to learn and IoT devices. And next feature of ESP32. Now let's talk about the future, because the ESP32 is not slowing and showing down any time soon with the rapid growth of IoT across different industries. Because of nowadays most of the industries are using the IoT technology. IoT technology means Internet of Things, so we can control to IoT, like internet by using the internet. The ESP32 ecosystem has been evolving continuously. It was support IoT, and new improvements are being added, such as the better and more stable wireless connectivity, that is the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, like this, and AI and edge computing capabilities. Okay, AI technology also in this included, and more secure and reliable firmware. Stability and reliability. One of the biggest strength of the ESP32 is its stability, like long range stable Wi-Fi, right, and Bluetooth class and BLE for flexible communications. Wi-Fi also BGAN, BGYN, like this. Reliable 24/7 performance in industrial environments. It will be work on 24 hours. Okay, support for wide range of sensors, motors and communication protocols. Because of it's a smart power saving mode. Okay, it is also perfect for battery powered and real-time applications. To making robotics, IoT devices. Like in engineering usages, engineers around the world use the ESP32 in millions of devices. Here are some of the most common applications like industrial automation, smart home systems, wireless sensor networks, robotic and drones control, machine to machine M2M communication. LoRa is like long range of communication devices. Okay, compared to Bluetooth Wi-Fi, it was a long range. We can control agriculture services. Okay, like drones also we can control. Smart city lighting, GPS based vehicle tracking also we can use it by using the programming ideas. Weather monitoring statistics, environmental data collection. These are all the real-time applications nowadays. For engineering students and school students, it was like easy to learn and extremely powerful, and understanding also easy. Using some multiple nowadays multiple programming tools are available, but for students level, Arduino IDE is the best IDE for learning the programming skills and knowledge. Okay, for industrial uses, for official framework, ESP32. Some of the peoples are having some hobbies like electronic engineering interest. Okay, it's like those persons also make a do it your home automation steps by own idea, and home security systems, smart lights and energy saving devices, and some wearables, and also make some remote controlled gadgets using some of the IR sensors, like using